Look what I got. I got it from a church member, and I walked it. Well, actually, he's kind of a neighbor too, but he lives like a block away. It's a 1970s Sears air compressor. It might be 80s. I don't know. I haven't done any research on it. I just got it home. See, it's also a paint sprayer. It's half. I know it's a full horsepower. And I need to get a new hose for it, because this one right here doesn't have an adapter on it, so I can't put it on these kind of air things. And it's stuck at 40 psi because I can't figure out how to get air out of it, because I don't have a hose, and this thing doesn't move. That thing right there. So I'll start it up for a second, show you how it actually. No, it's gonna fall. Nope, it worked. Finally. Hooray. Plug it in. See, that thing doesn't do anything anymore. It's kind of making me mad.